Hello, welcome back to the channel. I am excited to show you our new house. That feels crazy to even say. So I'm going to do an empty house tour. That's why it's so echoey in here. So let's go. I just can't wait any longer. I'm not going to bore you with a long intro. Let's go and view this amazing house. I'm so excited. Starting off in the hallway, you come in here and we're going to go into the snug.
The snug is the lounge.
It's quite a small lounge, I'm just going to call it that. I mean, to be fair, we can fit a pretty big sofa, a corner sofa here. That's what we're thinking. And then we're thinking, come in. We're thinking of putting the TV there. This is how they had it anyway. That's the layout that the previous owner had it, how they had it. The sofa there and the TV here. So we think we're just going to do that. It's quite a small lounge, but if we go to like the most special part of the house, I'll show you where we potentially could have another sofa. So this is the kitchen. So just do a little pan in. This is definitely the room that sold the house to us because it's just so nice. I'll get another little shot later. This is probably my favourite bit, the fact that it's got the cooker on the island. I think this is just going to be really good, especially when we have like a little sofa there, just where you're stood. And then we're going to probably have like a dining room table in that corner there, which is really exciting. It's got a double sink as well, which is another cool feature that we really liked. And it kind of, I feel like it gives you like a farmhouse vibe. Do you know what I mean? Do you agree? Okay, and another cool feature that I really like is this. The fireplace, the open fireplace. Again, it gives it just an extra bit of character. Personally, although this kitchen is really nice, and this is obviously to a lot of people's taste, especially now, like the grey and white theme, I feel like eventually maybe we'll go for like a different colour kitchen cabinet. What do you think?
Maybe, I quite like it as it is, but yeah.
Okay, we'll discuss that. But have you seen like the dark navy cabinets?
Yeah.
With white, with like the white marble, I feel like that will look quite nice. And then potentially change these as well. To like maybe like a brushed gold, that would look nice. Oh, downstairs toilet. Also, I love the colour of these doors, because usually you just get like white doors, and I really like this brown.
Bit of character.
Yeah, bit of character. The downstairs loo, not really much to see there. And then let's go upstairs. So, come in. I'm going into this room first. This is the master bedroom. Although I think the master and the second bedroom are pretty similar in size. So I think we're going to have our bed here. And in our current house, we do actually have like really small bedside tables, which probably fit quite nicely here and here. And the fact that we've got plugs next to the bed, bonus. And then the previous owner has done like a really nice job with the paneling, and I actually really like this colour as well. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's nice.
Quite nice having a little feature wall. Next bedroom, again, we've got these brown doors. This is the other bedroom. I think this was their kids' bedroom previously, and it's a pretty similar size to that one. And we're not really sure what we're going to do with this room yet, because obviously we kind of need a little bit of office space, but then we also need somewhere for guests to stay as well, so we need to decide on like the rooms and stuff like that. This room is just like a wardrobe room. Luckily they actually left some decent...
But we bought them off them.
Well, yeah, we obviously paid for them, but these were like brand new last year, so the previous owner sold us these, and they've got loads of like drawer space and stuff, so that's ideal. And I think it's just the same on this side as well.
His and hers.
His and hers, which is like a massive improvement to what we've got now. Like, we had a single wardrobe and there was just clothes everywhere, wasn't there? So that is a massive upgrade. And then I'm not going to go in this because it's quite small, but this is our bathroom. I really like how they've decorated it. I like how they've done the tiles all the way to the ceiling, and I also quite like the black fittings, and it's got a really nice
rainfall shower.
Yes.
Waterfall.
Perfect. And then up there is what we haven't actually seen, is the loft space. We haven't actually been up to the loft yet, so we don't actually know how big it is, but it must be, what is it usually, the loft's as big as
Big as the house.
The floor space. Well, no, because then the ceiling goes like this, doesn't it? The roof.
Yeah. So that's potential in it to convert that in the future.
Yeah. That would actually be massive then, wouldn't it?
But I don't know how you're going to get up to it. It's not much landing space, but...
Well, yeah, but wouldn't it be the size of all these rooms combined?
It's a bit small, like you said, there'd be less headroom, but...
But basically there's potential to...
Hopefully, unless you go there and find out
Obviously not yet.
breaked up
like,
or something.
Well, yeah, sure.
Dead body
We'll
in there.
see.
Yeah.
Let's go downstairs.
Wait, have you got the key for it?
Yeah. Oh, and also something that I forgot to mention, these are bifold doors as well, which is going to be amazing if we have like barbecues and stuff. Just to open this all out, that'll be just kids. So this is their converted
Garage.
Used to be a garage.
But it's in the
then
back garden
obviously-
for some way.
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
in the back garden. Well, this house is a 1930s house, and I think back in the 1930s, that's what they tended to do. Like, I was reading up on the history of it. I don't just know that fact off the top of my brain. Apparently, they used to have their garages in their garden. Because James must be similar, because his garage is in the back garden. Anyway, so they refurbed this and put a skylight in. And then there's also extra storage in the back of here.
That's where we're going to keep Imogen.
Yeah, this is going to be my little bedroom. We're going to have a little bed set up there.
You are joking, yeah?
Yeah, I'm joking. Just in case people don't
There will be
realise.
someone that's like, you're keeping her in a room in the back of the garage.
So this is like going to be an ideal space for a gym set up. Are we still thinking that?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay.
We need to put it
It's a
somewhere.
really good space for a gym. Yeah, the weight bench and rack. And we could also like change this floor into gym flooring, have some like mirrors. Make sure you don't get my scabby toes in. Flooring, that kind of thing. It's got really nice spotlights as well. So yeah, that's it. That's the house. I hope you enjoyed coming along and having a little peek inside our house. I love looking at empty house tours, and then I also love seeing what they do with the actual house, like where they put the furniture and that kind of thing. So we'll definitely keep you updated and document the journey. So thank you for coming into our new home. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a little like and a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.